Read the following questions and write the answers on the AT6 job sheet. Number 1. You are ready to put a cake in the oven to bake. The recipe says to bake the cake for 45 minutes. If it is 2 o'clock right now, what time should you take the cake out of the oven? Add 45 minutes to the 2 o'clock and you will get 2:45. Number 2, if it takes 12 minutes to bake cookies, if you put the cookies in the oven to bake at 9:30, what time will they be finished baking? Add 12 minutes to the 9:30. You get 9:42. Number 3, you have just finished mixing up some bread dough. The recipe says to let the dough rise for 2 hours. If you set the dough aside to rise at 2:30, what time will it be finished rising? Add 2 hours to the time 2:30. You get 4:30. Number 4, the recipe for chili says to let it cook for 35 minutes. You have just finished mixing everything together and the chili is ready to cook. It is 11:30. When will the chili be finished cooking? Add 35 minutes to 11:30. You get 12:05. Number 4. You want to cook a roast for dinner tonight. You want your roast to be ready to take out of the oven at 6 p.m. If your roast takes 1 hour for each pound of meat and the roast weighs 5 pounds, what time should you put the roast in the oven? 5 pounds of meat will make it be 5 hours. Start at 6 p.m. and subtract 5 hours. Start at 1 p.m.